Are you tired of struggling to automate your email marketing campaigns? Could an all-in-one solution like Cleverlybox revolutionize how you approach email automation? In this video, we'll dive deep into Cleverlybox, the 2024 email marketing solution that simplifies your campaigns in just 3 steps. We'll explore how it works, key features, and its pricing, while also sharing how you can grab over $7,000 in exclusive bonuses by clicking the product link in the description. Plus, use the discount coupon CBOX50 for an instant $50 off. So, what is Cleverlybox? It's a powerful tool that automates the entire email marketing process, from creating campaigns to delivering them directly to your audience's inboxes. It's designed for businesses and marketers who want to maximize email engagement without spending hours managing each campaign. By automating key tasks, Cleverlybox helps you increase profits effortlessly. If you're curious about how Cleverlybox can transform your email marketing strategy, be sure to click the product link in the description. How does Cleverlybox work? It operates in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Set up your account. After signing up, you configure your account to meet your email marketing needs. Step 2. Automate and create campaigns. Cleverlybox allows you to quickly build and automate email sequences that target your audience with precision. Step 3. Deliver. Inbox. Profit. The tool ensures that your campaigns are delivered straight to inboxes, increasing open rates and profits. Let's talk about the key features of Cleverlybox. It offers a range of automation tools, from creating campaigns to optimizing email delivery. Its built-in email verifier ensures your list stays clean, improving delivery rates. The software also offers pre-built email sequences that you can generate with just 1 click, saving you loads of time. By automating these processes, Cleverlybox helps you streamline your email marketing strategy and scale your business. Who can use Cleverlybox? Cleverlybox is perfect for marketers, business owners, freelancers, and agencies looking to automate their email campaigns and improve ROI. If you're aiming to increase conversions through email without spending hours manually managing each campaign, Cleverlybox is for you. And with its versatile features, it's suitable for businesses of all sizes. Don't forget to check the product link in the description to explore how Cleverlybox can help your business succeed. Now, let's break down the Cleverlybox OTO and pricing details. OTO 1, Cleverlybox Pro Unlimited. Starting at just $27 and going up to $67, this package gives you unlimited access to all core features. OTO 2, Email Cleaner and Verifier. For $67, this add-on ensures your email lists are verified and clean, improving delivery rates. OTO 3, Automated Sequences. At $67, this package offers full automation of email sequences, so you can send targeted emails without any hassle. OTO 4, Generate hundreds of email swipes in just 1 click. Also priced at $67, this feature gives you instant access to email templates you can use across your campaigns. OTO 5, Link Optimizer. For $67, Cleverlybox helps you track and optimize links within your email campaigns. OTO 6, Professional Agency. At $67, this package provides tools specifically designed for agencies handling multiple clients. OTO 7, Agency Reseller. Priced between $97 and $297, this option allows you to resell Cleverlybox as your own service and keep 100% of the profits. In my final conclusion on Cleverlybox, this tool is a must-have for anyone serious about automating their email marketing efforts. Its robust set of features and ease of use make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned marketers. The ability to generate email swipes, clean email lists, and automate sequences means less manual work for you and more time to focus on growing your business. And don't forget, you can claim over $7,000 in bonuses by clicking the product link in the description, along with using the CBOX50 discount coupon $50 OFF. Finally, let's talk about your special bonuses. By purchasing Cleverlybox today, you'll unlock an exclusive bundle of bonuses that are designed to enhance your email marketing strategy. These bonuses, valued at over $7,000, include premium email marketing resources and tools that you won't want to miss. So, what are you waiting for? Click the product link, claim your bonuses, and start automating your email marketing with Cleverlybox today.